In a stark warning about the impacts of healthcare policy, the state of Idaho is reversing course on a controversial cost-cutting experiment. Recently, the state eliminated Medicaid funding for programs providing home visits and medical care to individuals with severe mental illnesses like schizophrenia. Following the cuts, several vulnerable residents tragically passed away, including a 45-year-old man who succumbed to a preventable infection. The sudden rise in deaths among former program participants alarmed state lawmakers. In a highly unusual move, the Idaho legislature voted last week to restore full funding to the Assertive Community Treatment Program. Former President Donald Trump has shaken up the California race for governor by throwing his support behind former television host Steve Hilton. The unexpected endorsement surprised many in the state Republican Party, who had previously favored Riverside County Sheriff Chad Bianco. Political insiders say the move was heavily influenced by conservative commentators who aggressively campaigned against Bianco. While some Republicans hoped two conservative candidates could split the primary vote and lock out Democrats, political experts say that scenario was highly unlikely. Hilton is now poised to consolidate the Republican base in a heavily Democratic state, setting the stage for a highly watched election battle. New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani has released a sweeping new racial equity plan, and it is already facing intense scrutiny from the federal government. The mayor says the plan is designed to close gaps in housing, education, and income by requiring city agencies to view their work through a racial equity lens. However, the proposal has sparked immediate pushback from conservatives and the Department of Justice. A top official from the Justice Department called the initiative potentially illegal and promised a full review. Critics argue the plan unfairly bases government policies on race, setting up a major legal clash.